If you use Google Chrome every day, this is one of the most important security habits you can learn. Today, I'm going to show you how to protect against compromised Chrome extensions step by step, so you can reduce the risk of data theft, unwanted ads, tracking, and other browser security problems. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is where everything starts because your browser extensions live inside Chrome and they can have access to a surprising amount of your browsing activity. That's why it's important to treat them carefully. Some extensions can be helpful, but compromised or shady extensions can steal data, inject ads into pages, track what you do online, or even slow your browser down significantly. So the first thing we want to do is review everything that is already installed. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, go to Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. This takes you to the full list of extensions installed in your browser. Now take your time and look carefully through every single one. Ask yourself whether you recognize it, whether you still use it, and whether it actually needs to stay installed. If you see something you don't remember installing, something with a strange name, or an add-on you no longer use, that's a sign to investigate further. Also look out for suspicious toolbars or extensions that seem to do too much for what they claim to offer. The fewer extensions you have, the smaller your attack surface becomes, which usually means better security. If you find an extension you do not trust, do not leave it sitting there. Click Remove under that extension and delete it from Chrome. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect yourself because every extension you remove is one less possible risk. If you have multiple extensions you don't need, go ahead and clean them up now. Again, less is more when it comes to browser security. Next, we want Chrome itself to help check for problems. Go into Settings, then click Privacy and Security, and find Safety Check. If you don't see it immediately, look for the option that says Go to Safety Checks. Run the safety check and let Chrome scan for harmful extensions, security issues, and unsafe settings. This is a great built-in feature because it can catch things you may have missed manually. It's not a replacement for your own review, but it's an excellent extra layer of protection. Now let's talk about installation habits because preventing a bad extension is much easier than cleaning one up later. Only install extensions from trusted sources and ideally use the Chrome Web Store. Avoid downloading extension files from random websites, pop-ups, or third-party download pages. If a website tells you to install a file manually, take a step back and verify that it's legitimate before you continue. A lot of browser problems start with rushed installs, so slow down and make sure the source is trustworthy. Before you install any new extension, check the reviews and ratings first. Read what other users are saying, especially recent reviews. Then look at the permissions carefully. If a simple extension is asking for access that does not make sense, like reading everything on every website or changing all your data, that should raise a red flag. Always ask whether the permissions match what the extension actually needs to do. If they don't install it. Finally, keep Chrome updated. To do that, click the three dots again, then go to Help and choose About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically, and if one is available, it will install it. Browser updates are important because they often improve security, fix bugs, and strengthen protection against malicious or compromised extensions. Keeping Chrome current is one of the easiest ways to stay safer online. So to recap, the best way to protect yourself is to review your installed extensions, remove anything suspicious, run Chrome Safety Check, only install from trusted sources, check reviews and permissions, and keep Chrome updated. If you want more simple computer security tips like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.